Hello and welcome to a Tech Knowledge for College tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to export Pages documents to Word, PDF, and other file formats. This tutorial is specifically for Apple users needing to convert files prior to submitting to your instructor. Please be sure to review your class syllabus or assignment instructions to choose the appropriate type of file to submit. First, open the document, then choose File, Export to, then specify your export settings. Let's go over some of these options. PDF files can be opened and sometimes edited with applications like Preview and Adobe Acrobat. Click on the Image Quality pop-up menu, then choose an option. The higher the image quality, the larger the file size of the exported copy. If you added images, drawings, audio, or video descriptions for assistive technology, for example, VoiceOver, they are automatically exported. Microsoft Word documents, or doc files, are commonly used file formats at Sierra. If the file needs to be compatible with an older version of Microsoft Word from 1997 to 2004, click Advanced Options, then choose .doc from the pop-up menu. EPUB is used to make your document readable in an e-book reader, such as Apple Books. If you select this file format, you can enter the title and author name and choose a cover option while exporting. Plain text or TXT files are those which have been unformatted. Text boxes, shapes, images, lines, tables, and charts are not exported. Page layout documents cannot be exported in TXT format. Rich text format files, or RTF files, are documents where text and tables are exported. If the document has text boxes, shapes, lines, and charts that can be exported, they're exported as images, and the document is exported in RTFD format. Other applications may not be able to open an RTFD file. Page layout documents cannot be exported in RTF or RTFD format. Pages 09 is for use of the Pages application on a Mac that uses version 4.0 or 4.3. Once you've chose your preferred format, click Next, then type a name for the document. Without the file name extensions such as .pdf or .epub, which is appended to the name automatically. Choose where to save the exported copy, click the Where pop-up menu, choose a location, then click Export. And that's all for this tech knowledge topic. Thank you for watching and have a great day.